Can I have the assessment, please? Can I have the phone number, please? Can I have the costs, please? Can I have this spreadsheet, please? Can I have some water, please? Can I have some coffee, please? Can I have the budget, please? Can I have the report, please? Can I have some information, please? Can I have the figures, please? Can I have the document, please? Okay, great. Document here. Can I have that report, please? Can I have some bread, please? Can I have a pizza, please? Can I have some donuts, please? Can I have some wine, please? Can I have some beer, please? Can I have a solution by tomorrow, please? Can I have a solution by Monday, please? Can I have a solution by Tuesday, please? Can I have a decision by Monday, please? Can I have a decision by Tuesday, please? Can I have a suggestion? Can I call the client? Can I tap to pay? Can I pay cash, please? Can I change my mind, please? Can I help her? Can I help him? Can I help him? Can I help you? Can I talk to her? Can I talk to her tomorrow, please? Can I talk to her tomorrow, please? Can I talk to him tomorrow, please? Can I get back to you? Can I get back to her? Can I get back to him? Can I understand the problem? Can I understand the situation? Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you about the assessment? Can I talk to you about the budget? Can I talk to you about that report? Can I do that? Can I do that right now? Can I do that tomorrow? Can I finish the assessment? Can I finish the budget? Can I finish the report? Can I go to work? Can I get back to work? Can I get back home? Can I handle the assessment now? Can I handle the budget now? Can I handle the costs now? Can I handle this call now? Can I talk to the manager first? Can I talk to my boss first? Can I think about that? Can I think about the budget? Can I think about the costs? Can I think about that situation? I'm sorry. Can I talk about this situation? Can I solve the problem? Can I call you tomorrow? Can I call you tomorrow? Can I call you later? Can I make a decision today? Can I make a decision tomorrow? Can I make a decision later? I'd like to write down. I'd like to write down the information. I'd like to write down the costs. I'd like to write down the figures. I'd like to write down the phone number. I'd like to write down the email address. I'd like to write down the words. Hi, how's it going? I'm good, and you? Nice to, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I'll handle the reports. I'll handle the call. I'll handle the client. I'll handle the budget. I'll handle the problems. I'll handle the costs. I'll handle the spreadsheet. I'll handle the bills. I'll handle the proposal. I'll handle that decision. I'll handle that situation. I'll join a meeting. I'll join a meeting later. I'll join a meeting tomorrow. I'll join a meeting with the guys from Europe. I'll join a meeting with the guys from the USA. I'll join a meeting with the client. I'll handle that issue. I'll talk about that issue. I'll solve that. Sorry, it's wrong here. I'll solve that issue. Yeah, it's wrong here. Yeah, also situation, maybe situation, I guess. I'll solve. Mhm. There's a typo here. I'll solve that situation. I'll talk about that issue with the customer. I'll talk about that issue with my boss. I'll think about this assessment and I'll get back to you. I'll talk about the decision. I'll talk about the proposal. I'll talk about your idea. I'll talk about the figures. I'll have lunch. I'll have lunch and I will decide that. I'll have some coffee and I'll handle that. I'll have I'll have lunch and I'll help her. I'll have lunch and I'll help him. I'll have some coffee and I'll handle that issue. I'll have some water and I'll handle that customer. I'll check the assessment and I'll talk to you. I'll think about the suggestion and I'll get back to you. I'm talking about the assessment. I'm calling the client. I'm talking to the client. I'm going to work. I'm going home. I'm helping her. I'm helping him. I'm helping her with the bills. I'm helping her with the money. I'm helping her with the costs. I'm helping her with the spreadsheet. I'm helping her with the decision. I'm talking to her. I'm calling her later. I'm sorry, I'm talking about the assessment. I'm talking about the budget. I'm talking about the report. I'm doing that now. I'm doing my work now. I'm finished the report. I'm finishing the budget. I'm finishing the assessment. I'm thinking about the assessment. I'm thinking about the budget. I'm thinking about the costs. I'm thinking about the situation. I'm solving a problem. I'm getting back to her now. I'm getting back to him now. I make a decision. I'm checking that. I'm checking the budget. I'm checking the information. I'm checking the figures. I'm writing down the information. I'm writing down the figures. I'm writing down the phone number. I'm sorry, please go ahead. I'm thinking about your idea. I'm thinking about your suggestion. I'm thinking about your decision. Thinking about. I'm thinking about the figures. I'm thinking about the costs. I'm thinking about that work. Okay, wonderful.